In the previous video, you learned how to construct the head, using the Loomis method in front, half, and three-quarter views. Today, we will take the next step. I'll show you how to turn a Loomis head into a realistic portrait, using a real reference photo in a front view. This step is where structure becomes realism. Before drawing, let's observe the reference photo carefully. Notice the symmetry? But remember, the human face is never perfectly symmetrical. Pay attention to the distance between the eyes, the width of the nose, and the height of the forehead. I'll start by lightly drawing the Loomis head we learned before. Horizontal guidelines for the brow, eyes, nose, and chin. Don't press hard, these are just guides. Now I begin adjusting the Loomis guides to match the reference. The eyes sit slightly below the halfway point of the head. The nose width aligns roughly with the inner corners of the eyes. Look at how light hits the bridge and how shadows appear under the tip. The mouth sits about 1/3 of the distance between the nose and the chin. At this stage, accuracy matters more than details. The mouth sits on a curved surface. The corners of the mouth align roughly with the center of the eyes. Look at how light hits the bridge and how shadows appear under the tip. Avoid drawing hard lines around the nose. Let value create the form. Think of the eye as a sphere inside the socket, not a flat shape. Notice how the upper eyelid overlaps the iris slightly. The eyebrows follow the brow ridge, not a straight line. Keep everything soft and light. We will now draw the hair. Please note that hair is something we're adding to the scalp. Now I step back and check proportions. I compare left and right sides. Small adjustments make a big difference. This is where beginners usually rush. Don't. This is how you move from the Loomis method to a realistic portrait. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more portrait drawing tutorials. See you in the next lesson.